Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome. My name is Maritza. For today's Literacy Through Art project, I thought it would be fun to do postcards. Postcards are used, you send postcards to people that you miss when you're on vacation, when you want to show someone a really cool place that you just visited. And since we're not doing a lot of traveling right now, I thought it'd be fun to do a little twist on normal postcards. I came up with the idea to kind of design your own postcard. So on the front, you can draw a picture, and on the back, you can write a little message. And the postcard can be about the coolest place that you've ever been, the most fun that you've ever had on vacation, the coolest thing that you've ever seen. It can also be like your dream vacation. I know it's a dream of mine to go to Santorini, Greece, and I've never been there. The postcard that I'm going to show you guys in a second is somewhere that I have been before with my family, but you can also, as I said, make it about somewhere you really want to go, like Greece. So I picked one of the coolest family vacations that I ever went on. 2 summers ago, my family went to Ireland, and the Cliffs of Moher are a very famous tourist attraction in Ireland on the coast, and I made a little postcard for it. So I drew it all myself. This is what the Cliffs of Moher look like. They're on the coast, as I said before. And here you can see I wrote the Cliffs of Moher so that you know where I went. And on the back, I added a little place for a stamp and to write an address, like postcards usually have on the back. You don't have to add this if you don't want to, but I thought it was a cute little touch to make it more authentic, make it look like a real postcard. And on the back, I wrote when I went, I wrote who I went with, kind of what I did, why I liked this place so much. And so I wrote, my favorite family vacation was 2 summers ago when we visited Ireland. We drove to the coast and visited the Cliffs of Moher. The 6th Harry Potter movie and the Princess Bride movie were filmed here. We went on a boat to see the cliffs from the water. Afterwards, we went to dinner in the town, ate classic Irish food like bangers and mash, and played golf on a field overlooking the cliffs. I always really enjoy boat rides. I love being on the water, and it was really cool to see these huge cliffs from the bottom. So a boat takes you down like along the edge of the cliffs, and they're massive and they're so cool to look at. And I also really like Irish food. Potatoes are one of my favorite things to eat. So that's what my postcard was about. If you have a vacation that you took with your family or friends in mind, then that's great. You can draw a picture on the front. You can add where it is or not, that's up to you. And then write a little something on the back to kind of commemorate your favorite vacation. Or you can do your dream vacation. All you're gonna need is, I just used printer paper, 8x11. I folded it in half, and I folded it in half like this, and then I cut a piece. This is more like the size of a regular postcard. So you're gonna need paper, you're gonna need scissors, and you're going to need things to draw with and something to write with. I have my quilled pencil cup that I made a couple of videos ago if you want to check that out. It's where I keep all my writing utensils. But again, you're going to need things to draw with, like colored pencils or markers, whatever you prefer. The only thing is, I would say colored pencils would be better because markers will bleed through and then you won't be able to write on the back. and something to write with, because it's important to write about why you liked it so much. That was part of the fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a simple little thing to do, easy materials that you should have at home. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope everybody stays safe.